Conclusion. Social media marketing confuses a lot of people. It definitely leads to a lot of dead ends if you let its myths get the better of you. This training shines a light on one effective way of using social media exposure to turn social media reach into cold, hard cash in your bank account. While I'm not claiming that these steps are easy, they are doable. You just need to follow instructions. You need to conduct experiments and focus on what works. The key here is to use this information to fit your particular set of circumstances, to produce practical, actionable steps that you can use to earn a truly passive income. Don't move one step ahead until you've mastered the previous step. Now that you have all the information that you need to succeed, please understand that none of this will make you rich if you let it stay in your head. Not in a million years. You have to take action on them. You have to get that sense of urgency that you need to make this information a reality. The longer it stays in your head, the less likely your finances will change. Give yourself a deadline. Commit to a firm start date. Once that date comes, start. You don't have to be a hero. You don't have to hit a home run the first time you step up to the plate. As long as you're making a small step forward, that's good enough. Why? A small step forward is still a step forward. You have to keep doing it. You have to take step after step. It doesn't matter what side of the bed you woke up on. It doesn't matter what you're feeling. None of that matters. What matters is you stick to the plan. If you're able to commit and focus, you will succeed. I wish you nothing but the greatest success. Thank you for watching this training.